Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, fabulous people. How are you doing today? Wow, it's a nice day this morning. It's a shining day in South Africa. Yes, it's a very beautiful day. Yo. This particular days, yes, guys, you must use these days to do better things during the day. Yes, go out, do that and do that. Yes. Take your family out. Yes, take a walk in the morning. Yes. I'm just on my way to town to do some few things. And yes. There's things that we're doing daily. So yes. No one can do your things by yourself for yourself. You must do your own things, especially is it private things or important thing that you must do. Go and pay your bills. Go there and pay there. Go there and visit there. Sing there. Yes, and do that. Yes. Daily routines that I'm talking about. Yes, Mr. D. Mr. D do everything, Mr. D do everything. Yes. Out of the mercy of the Lord. Yes. It was I hope you've got a nice Easter. It was a fabulous Easter. Yes. We enjoy Easter, especially the children was enjoying too much with the Easter eggs and those kind of things. Yes, we spoil them. I know you spoil your children as well if you have children who watching this video. And yes. This is the day. Yes, this is I think is the third day of the week, and we do daily routines that we must do. And yes, go and come back. Yes, visit here, as I said earlier. Eat there and go there. Yes. Don't eat too much. Yes. Take a walk, take your animals in the morning, and take the children or take a walk in the morning if you're retired and still at home. Yes. You can see this pretty day. Oh, yes, sunshine. There's the shine. The sun, you can see brightness, morning star is coming out. Yes. You see the blue sky mountains. Yes. The blue sky. Oh, yes. I will not preach this, but David said in his word, yes, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in that. Yes, that's the encouragement for you today. Take it. If you watch this video, share this video, subscribe and like this. I love you all. Mr. D do everything. Don't forget, subscribe. Good morning, Yella.